This time tomorrow, we're going to know whether we've got a 300 number or a 250 number, Goldilocks or a big problem. The problem will be 300. The trend has been 295 on payrolls. If we get a 295 number plus, I think tomorrow's a 3 handle. And then things are going to really light up. Because I don't think this market is ready for the sense that we could get a June hike from the Fed. Yeah, the problem is, guys, is that you're so equity focused. You've got to look at the broader markets here. I think we're being dragged into complacency. I think the investor is thinking about the long weekend. Europe isn't even around. What happens tomorrow if it's a 300 number? Good news will be bad news, I think, Scott.
It's a religious holiday, but the equity markets and the bond markets are closed. But the non-farm payrolls is a official government release, so they simply have to follow the calendar. But it is a very, very strange situation that we find ourselves in now, because the equity all the capital markets will be closed. The forex market will be the only one that's open. And in Europe, of course, everything is going to be closed as well because it's Good Friday as well. So you could have a situation where you could have a very volatile, sort of a short reaction to the NFPs, and then perhaps a more extended reaction on Monday when everybody comes back and is more online. Right. Especially if it's a big miss, I think we could have some pretty serious, quick movements before it's all over.
I think into the last OPEC meeting, the expectation was that OPEC would certainly act, and OPEC didn't. The expectation into this meeting is not quite as high as that. I think the market has realized that where we need to find the adjustment is onshore US, and that's where the market is focused. The adjustment is starting to happen there. Clearly, an OPEC cut would help get into the equilibrium faster, but at the end of the day, it is non-OPEC that needs to sort out the oversupply that it has created. The rig count going from 1,800 to 1,000 goes a long way towards that. And interestingly, had some other data points that support it. For instance, China has come up with a new target for production, which could be down double-digit this year as they spend less in enhanced oil recovery. Canada is showing the same. So we think we're getting towards equilibrium. It's simply taking longer.